Hi guys, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk Blair. I'm going to show you this piece of pre-owned inventory for us. It's actually a 2018 EL280. It's a Embrace. It has a rear bunks and it kind of has a little dinette back there in the back, which I like. It's going to have a front cap. I'm going to kind of show you some features. We'll walk around it real quick. It's got one big slide out, front pass-through bay, battery storage here, propane tanks, power tongue jack. Let's take a look down the side of it. We got the front pass-through bay. This is gonna have magnetic catches on it all the way around, which is pretty awesome. So as you move down the side of this unit, you'll see that you have a power awning that's almost full length. It's a pretty nice awning. Outdoor speakers, the lend-a-hand handle, which I like. It also has a little outdoor kitchen on it, so let's go take a look at that. Has an outdoor kitchen area here. Flip that up. Little mini fridge out here for your kids' beverages or frosty beverages. Nice little countertop and a cook station, which is pretty rad because that we got all outside, and there's your spray port hose in here, and it also has a little cubby for storage. And that's that for the outside. And let's go take a look on the inside. So as you come into the unit, there's your bedroom right here up front. If you want to, I'll show you inside there. You can open the door for you. It actually has double entry doors, which is pretty awesome. Full-blown storage around the unit. It does have storage underneath the bed for your linens, storage and closets on either side. Nice bedroom, spot for a TV to hang. Dual doors, which is cool, so it's not curtains or anything like that, it's actually doors. Your entertainment center is here with your DVD player and TV, couch, dinette, kitchen with a stainless sink, nice flush top counter, suburban cooktop, Dometic fridge, microwave. All your necessities are in this trailer. And as you make your way back here, you got your more storage to the right here, kind of a pantry. Good sized bathroom with actually some counter space. And the great thing about bunkhouses is generally they kind of anticipate more people, so they kind of cater to that. Let's take a look at this bunkhouse. I'll let you go in there and look around. As you're in there, you can see you got bunks. There's technically 4 bunks, but the bottom one is a table here. And this top one right here actually lifts up and can go out of the way, so you have bunks or a seating area for the kids to enjoy or kind of have their own private space. And then it comes out and makes a bunk. But this unit and anything here at Guaranty, I'm happy to help you with. My name is Kirk Blair. That's Captain Kirk, and my cell phone is 541-601-8742. Hope you have a great day, and looking forward to helping you out.